Assalamu alaikum viewers, I'm Dr GA Siddiqui, cause-based Genomic homeopath, and you're watching AHC Health channel. Today let's talk about angina pectoris. We discuss the only true stable and unstable angina. Where is the four kinds of angina pectoris? Stable angina pectoris cause fixed atherosclerotic plaque in coronary arteries. Trigger the patient feels heaviness in the chest during stepping walk, physical work, climbing stairs, during food eating, heaviness and tightness in the chest. The sign and symptom: chest pain, pressure, squeezing or tightness, heaviness in the chest, shortness of breath, patient feels to take fresh oxygen, heart rate increase. In this condition, patient manage itself, take the rest, take the plenty of breathe in fresh air. When he feels better to move, he takes further action. Unstable angina. In this condition, when the patient coronary arteries filled up with plaque and the plaque rupture due to physical work, stress or sudden shock, the coronary arteries sudden blocked and the blood clot formed. Due to this situation, the patient show the sign and symptom: chest pain, pain at rest, frequently feels angina attack, severe, intense and crushing chest pain, shortness of breath. Due to blockage, blood flow reduce and the oxygen supply to the heart muscles decrease and possible risk factor. Due to this condition frequently observed by the patient, it is possible to sudden heart attack, cardiac arrhythmias, heart failure. The treatment plan for the stable angina: start the medicine Econite 1 ml 2 drops directly on tongue and Cactus 1 ml 2 drops directly on tongue. When the chest pain or heaviness fails, the patient feels his palpitation and others also. Spigelia 1 ml 5 drops to reduce the chest pain and normalize the palpitation. Tritonevir 30 TDS 5 drops in a quarter cup of water thrice a time. Allium sativum mother tinctures 15 drops in a half cup of water in night. The treatment plan of unstable angina: when the patient feel frequently chest pain, heaviness, tightness, sweatings, cold sweatings, squeezing and contraction pain in his chest or cardiac area. Start the homeopathic medicine Econite 1 ml directly 2 drops on tongue. When the patient fear, anxiety and breathless. Proitum album 1 ml 2 drop directly on tongue for the sign and symptom of collapse, weakness, pale skin, cold sweating. Cactus 1 ml squeezing, contraction pain, gripping on chest pain. Thank you for watching ACC Health. I, Dr. GA Siddiqui, hope these health tips and trial medicine help you in emergency. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more expert advice, and stay healthy and take care. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.